Unidigmark is a company with multifaceted business services, provide online solutions to all business fraternity. In business, decision making play an important role. A right decision at right time makes you. A wrong decision even at right times breaks you. Hence, in this context, Unidigmark provide an excellent consultancy services with the right solutions and perfect timings. At Unidigmark, we are inspired and guided by our values: trust, respect, accountability, collaboration, and innovation. The idea of starting a business is always good, but to establish a successful business is great. Starting your own business needs the following: passion, patience, risk, faith, initial budget. We support startups, small as well as medium scale as well as large scale. Unidigmark provides complete digital marketing solutions along with proper guidance and evaluate your marketing plan within your monthly budget. The major problem new business owners feel is the budget allocation. Digital marketing is the primary platform to promote your brand and generate leads at affordable cost and can target national and international audience. We market your brand across appropriate social media platforms and in turn enhance your brand image as well as drive traffic to your website. Unidigmark has partnership with financial institutions which help in investment planning and wealth management, which are primary services to manage your wealth and advise in financial investments. Islamic banking and SEBI mutual investment advisors that include Sharia stocks as well. In today's job market situation, it is very hard to find a right job. But no worries, we at Unidigmark will support you in landing at the right position. We will help in finding jobs for you in all sectors like engineering, IT sector, marketing, banking sector, manufacturing, human resource, hospital, and hotel management. Then your right place before applying is at Unidigmark. We provide you guidance and evaluate your resume and will do your SWOT analysis, that is strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Before applying for a job post, you need to check the eligibility criteria which we can easily identify and save your time. Study abroad. We provide you guidance and evaluate your profile and analyze your strengths such as IELTS, GRE, and TOEFL scores and recommend the courses to face the interview. Unidigmark also provide post-interview guidelines and financial advice after you have been shortlisted. There are many documentations and procedures of sponsorship that need to be sent for approval of visa. We are passionate, established and professional web designing and development company that builds and delivers successful websites. Design fully responsive, professional and quality interfaces that integrate seamless with your unique brand strategy. We have successfully delivered websites which impresses their customers within short time. We bring together the right set of skills and experience to provide professional web development for our valued clients. Imparting excellence in every project we do and every task we undertake with exceptional expertise and years of experience. We dig deep to develop robust solutions. Unidigmark is one of the top rated Android mobile application development companies in Hyderabad where we bring a wealth of experience related to Android app development. An Android app involves complex feature and requires the expertise Android app developers and tools to develop a quality application. Our expertise team is the best Android app developer in Hyderabad, ensuring better stability and functionality to your business by designing native applications in sync with your business model. We design mobile applications by following Android material design concepts. Adopt a smart approach to e-commerce with Unidigmark. We have a process-driven strategy to bring your business online and maintain it to achieve your online goals. E-commerce website development services are the most affordable option to promote your business online. You can reach to your end prospective clients with the help of this website. Unidigmark is one of the leading companies in e-commerce website development which offers you customized e-commerce website development services that exactly match with your requirements. So, why wait? Come and make your life easier. Call and WhatsApp at 949 250 1026 or email at info@unidigmark.com. And you can also get for more information visit our website www.unidigmark.com.